Page 42, the Rodeo. At the top of the page they talk about repertoire. Repertoire is simply the pieces that you can play. Your repertoire. Because you want to be able to play, I don't know, however many pieces, it's up to you, 5 or 6 at least, so if somebody says play me something, you can sit down and give your own little recital if you needed to. It's kind of fun. Now these are pieces, in order to keep them in your repertoire, you have to keep playing them. Even though you moved on in the book, you keep playing them. Otherwise you'll forget them. Then they're not in your repertoire anymore. You have to go back and relearn them if you want to do that. I've done that with a lot of pieces. I learned a piece and maybe even performed it and got it all really good, and then quit playing it, and then years later went back and relearned it. Of course, when you relearn a piece, it's easier than learning it the first time, I've found, so it didn't take as long to learn it again. That's repertoire. This is another piece you could use in your repertoire. 3 sharps at the beginning, you see that? So it's in the key of A major. We have 4/4 time with a pickup beat. We've done that before. Melodies in the right hand. We've done that before. Now look at the left hand chords. At the beginning you have an A, and then a C sharp and an E. Well, that's an A chord. That's a broken chord. And then the last measure is a G sharp of the first line. G sharp, and then a D and an E. That's really what the left hand's doing. Then the right hand is doing all the melody stuff. So not a lot to say on this. Let's try this out. I will give us 3 counts since it starts on beat 4, and we'll play it together slowly. You can add the dynamics once you get the melody or the notes and the rhythm and all that down. Put in the dynamics because they really do add a lot to it. Of course, there's only one dynamic given, and that's the MF at the beginning. But you can experiment. Try what maybe you'd like to play the 3rd line soft, just to experiment with it, or start out soft and get loud later on, or try to experiment on these. These are little pieces that you can have some fun with. However, experimenting and fun is fine, but before you do any of that, make sure you can play it as it's written first. Hands are in A position. 1, ready, go.